My name's Mark Wilson. I have had my own architectural practice since 1985. I used the drawing board for over 15 years. Back then, I had a 13-inch VDU screen and a full 4 megabytes of RAM. This meant with a lousy 4 megabytes of RAM, I often had two computers going while drafting on the drawing board between commands while waiting for the processor to catch up. I purchased AutoCAD and a 3D add-on from a builder who just did not have the time to make it into a production tool. Does that sound familiar? In those early days, it was not unusual to spend 14 hours a day in front of the computer. Transition number one meant long days, no breaks, except for breaking my back. I have been a user of AutoCAD for over 35 years, and I have been using 3D third-party add-ons for 35 years. I transitioned to different 3D software 2 more times. Each software was compatible with the AutoCAD. At times, I even beta tested software, and it slowly improved. The add-ons to Autodesk software all got harder and harder to use with AutoCAD as they developed their own architectural desktop 3D program. Eventually, the Brisbane written software was bought out by Americans, and the whole thing became Americanized. What's a foot I had to ask? Eventually, frustration meant the search was on again. I wanted this to be the last time I had to learn new software. Along the way, I recorded every problem and solution, documenting the journey in the hope I could pave the way and make the destination easier for others to reach. This probably meant my transition took longer than it should have, but that was the price I was happy to pay for the benefit of the architectural profession. Interestingly, I am back standing at the drawing board with my 2 computer screens and keyboard and 2 mice sitting on top.